Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a folded Christmas tree, and we're going to start just with a circle. Now you could do this with wrapping paper or construction paper. Today I'm just going to use a piece of printed paper, and then we're going to do it on a doily. So you start out with a circle, and I want you to fold it in half. So we're just going to fold that in half. Okay, so you have a semicircle. Then you're going to make another fold about a third of the way down on this folded line. So half mark would be about here, quarter mark would be about here. So I'm going to go just a little bit below the quarter mark and fold it on itself so these edges line up. Okay, this is your first fold. I'm also going to refer to this as the middle fold, because the next fold you're going to do is you're going to take the folded piece and you're going to take it and line it up at the top. This is going to be the point of your Christmas tree. Okay, can you see that? So here's the folded part of your semicircle. The first fold is here, straight down, and the next fold, you're going to line it up to that first fold you created, so it looks like that. Okay? The next fold and the last fold, you're going to turn it over, and this long edge, you're going to fold down to this short edge. So again, we're trying to make a Christmas tree shape. So you can see this long edge, I've folded down on that edge, so it makes a Christmas tree like that. And if you'll turn it over, you'll see we have a Christmas tree. Okay? So just to repeat, we're going to fold it in half. Then we're going to fold it a third of the way down. So we've got two straight edges now. And then we're going to fold it up to that edge, and then I like to turn it over, and I'm going to fold it to that edge. So you've got three diagonal folds, and it looks like a Christmas tree. Okay, now we're going to do it with a doily, which is what you'll be doing it for your craft. And we have these gold doilies. Now you could, if you wanted to, instead of folding it in half, you could actually cut it in half and make two Christmas trees, but we are going to fold this in half. And be careful, because this lace is really delicate, so it's easy to tear it. And then I'm just going to go down a little bit below where the lace starts, and I'm going to fold it down, making that first fold like we did with the other circle. I'm sorry you can't see this as well, but see, I made that first fold. And then I'm going to make the next fold, which is just folding it diagonally up to that fold. Can you see that? And then I'm going to turn it over and make the next diagonal fold, so I'm making a shape of a Christmas tree. And now we have a Christmas tree. Then what we have for you are different colored jewels to match the colors on the gospel bracelet. So we're just going to take a little bit of glue in a piece of paper, in a paper plate, and using our fingers or using the little jewel itself, we can get a little bit of glue on, and you can decorate it. So you have to put a little bit of pressure on these things for it to stick to the gold. But we have gold to remind us of heaven that's promised for us. We have a black jewel to remind us of our sin. We have a red jewel to remind us of the blood that Jesus shed for us. And you can decorate this tree any way you want. We have a clear jewel to remind us that Jesus washes away our sin and makes us clean again. We have a green jewel to remember that God's love and salvation is eternal. We have a blue jewel, which reminds us to be baptized in the name of Jesus. And we have a purple jewel to remind us that Jesus is our King. And you can decorate it any way you want. And the next step would be to take a piece of twine and make a little hook and tape it on the back so you have an ornament. Hope this tutorial helps. I will give some written instructions as well. Love and miss y'all. Bye-bye.